No motive established for the taking out of a man in Savanna-la-Mar, Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The Westmoreland police are yet to establish a motive behind Friday night's murder of a man on Great George Street in Savanna-la-Mar in the parish. The deceased has been identified as Leon Reed, alias Chidaman, of Dam Road in Johns Hall, St. James. Residents reportedly heard gunshot coming from a section of Great George Street in the Westmoreland capital at about 6:30 p.m. and later alerted the police. Reed's body was later found with what appears to be a gunshot wound lying on the ground in what appears to be a pool of blood. He was reportedly pronounced dead at hospital. Reed is said to have sold bread and other goods in Savanna-la-Mar. Several Instagram users reacted to sadness about the passing. In the meantime, the Westmoreland police are probing the development and have not yet established a motive for this latest homicide. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.